how are you guys? Today also I have another 500 no deposit bonus for you guys. So I put this link in my Telegram or in this video description. You can get this website. So this is 500 USD dollar no deposit bonus. So you can get this free account to start your trading journey. So now what we do is we go to website, and this website we can start registering. So let me write website name 2bit pro 2bit pro, this one. So we have to register first. So I will show for you guys every step one by one from A to Z. So follow this video and try to finish the process that I am showing for you guys. So now look at here. Already I have registered here, but already I have registered here. However, I want to show for you guys another one to show for you. Here you go. I want to show for you guys just as a new. And that one I have registered, but now from scratch I try to show for you guys. Yeah guys, have you seen here? Look at here, this is the broker and the exact dashboard page. So now what we do is here register to participate here. So click this one, register to participate. Then after I do this one, the next step is also I will show for you guys. So now what we do is here register, fill your information, your email here, your password, put password and the referral code just use, and sign up here. After you sign up, what you get is this one. Over there, this is the verification code. You get this verification code in your email. So copy this one. Then you go to the page or dashboard here. After you sign up, you can get that verification code from your email, this email. Then click that one. After you fill that one, you go to here your profile. You go your profile and click your profile. Once you click your profile, and you can go to the once you create your profile and come here and verify your identity. So click here and basic verification. You do very basic verification. So then click here, verify basic verification. Put your country. If your country is in this list, then you do it. Find here your country in the list. If your country in this list, then you are eligible. If your country is not in this list, you are not eligible. So once you do that, last name, put your last name, first name, and certificate type to identify for your verification. ID, passport or license. Then you come here, put your certificate number or your ID number. Then submit. Once you submit this one, then they will review your documents. Then they will automatically credit your account. So once you finished your verification, and they will send to you $50 here. You can find it $50 here with 10x. Understand? 10x with $50 means $500. That's why I write $500 in deposit bonus. So which means 10x. 10x means leverage is 10. Leverage is 10. So the money is $50. Then totally 500, which means 500 in other sense. So once you get that money in reward app, new user tasks, reward app, you go reward app and click voucher. This vouchers in reward apps. Vouchers. Then in the vouchers, now I don't have anything. I haven't credited yet. I'm waiting. In that account. So once your voucher is credited, $50 with 10x, you can get it. Then you find here bonus. If it is not available here, click bonus, or all is okay, all types is okay. Then you can find here your available USDT here. So then after that you go to trading section. No, feature, this one, the first one, feature. You trade only feature, not that one. You choose BTC or another thing, it is okay. Then you trade it. Then you can trade long, buy, sell, short. So that's why I bring for you guys. You can also get benefit from this account. So I hope everyone can withdraw from this one. This is not asking any kind of money to withdraw, just your bonus. You can withdraw your bonus. That is terms and the condition is no required lot size. After you make some profits, then you automatically can withdraw. So that's a good thing. That's why I bring for you guys this no deposit bonus. It is nice. So everyone, you try to get this account. It's a very short time. So that's all. See you next time. Subscribe this channel and join my Telegram section. You can get a no deposit bonus and other things in there.